Ondas Holdings Aerobotics and HLOS Kai partner to enhance monitoring and maintenance of critical infrastructure. Ondas Holdings Inc. NASDAQ, ONS, a leading provider of autonomous drones and wireless network solutions, through its subsidiary Aerobotics Ltd., has teamed up with HLOS Kai GmbH to launch advanced drone services in Germany. This strategic partnership focuses on deploying Aerobotics' innovative drone technology within terminal operations in critical infrastructure sectors across the region. HLOS Kai, a subsidiary of the major European port operator Hamburger Hafen und Logistik AG, ETR, HFA, will integrate its extensive drone services experience with Aerobotics' autonomous technologies. This initiative aims to advance the automation and precision of drone operations in critical areas, enhancing both security and operational efficiency. Eric Brock, CEO of Ondas Holdings, expressed enthusiasm about the collaboration. We are thrilled to partner with HLOS Kai as we enter the European market with our automated drone platforms, adding that the opportunity to combine HLOS Kai's ICC with our Optimus system creates a hugely compelling service for our customers, which we believe supports faster and wider market adoption. Matthias Gronstedt, managing director of HLOS Kai, highlighted the strategic fit of the Optimus drone system within the German market, stating, "Ondas has built a market-leading commercial drone portfolio headlined by its best-in-class Optimus drone in a box." He continued, "The Optimus system fits a major market need in Germany for aerial security and intelligence, and we are excited to introduce the Optimus system into our solutions portfolio and integrate autonomous drone capabilities into our ICC and UTM platforms." The partnership will focus on the integration of Aerobotics' Optimus system, the world's first FAA-certified drone-in-a-box system designed for autonomous 24/7 data capture and analytics, particularly in complex environments like seaports. HLOS Kai's Integrated Control Center (ICC) and services facilitate the centralized and simultaneous control of drone fleets, enhancing the management of flight operations, scheduling, and data collection across various critical locations in Germany and globally. Both companies are poised to leverage their technological strengths to revolutionize the monitoring, maintenance, and protection of vital infrastructure, promising a new era of operational efficiency and security in Germany's critical sectors.